If it ain't carbon, I don't want it.
It's Kevlar. If that's close. Hey, bro, I'm gonna let you do the honors.
Are you gonna let me open it?
Yeah, I'll let you open it. Guys, as you can tell, I already opened the box. I was like a little kid. I was hella excited. Huh?
Sheesh.
What do you think, bro?
I like it.
It's heavy, huh?
It is heavy.
It's some nice ass quality.
This is gonna fucking fly off and...
Nah, chill. I got the 30-pound extra extremely strong cum tape. So, or solid. Alright guys, I got a duckbill for the S2 and I'm hella excited. So, the reason I picked up this duckbill, that's from V9 Racing. So, the duckbill actually sits over the third brake light. Well, not over, we actually take out the third brake light and it sits perfectly right there. So, yeah, I just take off the third brake light and that's it. No drilling required, just straight up 3M tape. And that's the reason why I picked it up. It's hella nifty. So, yeah, I think it's only 4 nuts holding the brake light. So I think it's like 8mm bolts. And then we'll be able to take off the brake light. But first, I'm going to hose down my trunk because it's dirty. The tape is obviously not going to stick to this. So I'm going to clean it, make sure there's no dirt. And then take off the third brake light. Alright guys, so if you come right here, I got the 8mm bolt. So there's 4 of them. It's like slots, so I already took off that one. There's one right there. There's one behind this latch. It's gonna be a little tricky, and then that one right there. So pretty straightforward. David came in clutch with the
stubby dick.
The what?
Huh?
Hey. All right, guys. So there's actually 5 nuts and just a little connection, and I think that should be it. Moment of truth. Good. What the fuck? So I started pushing on one of the studs, so looks like we're just gonna have to push it out, you know, it's probably just stuck on there.
What are you pushing it with?
Huh? What are you talking about? Oh, see there. There we go. Ah, just gotta finagle it. Dude, that middle one's gonna be a little hole. There we go, guys. Hey, 50 bucks?
Sure, 48.
You want it, bro?
I'm down.
When you get an S2?
Good looking.
What do you think, bro? Should I just keep it like that?
Yeah, just keep it like that. Shit looks clean.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Alright guys, we're gonna go in for the test fit. See where we actually put the tape at. So it goes something like that. I don't think it's gonna hold without tape, so that's what it looks like. Alright guys, all the tape is on there. Make sure that you get like every little single spot. I want this nice and flush. So now it's time to take off all the tape, and I'm gonna press down on all the tape one more time to make sure it's really on there. Alright, so all the pieces of tape, of whatever that is finally off. Took forever. Literally took like 10 minutes probably. And my camera's about to die, so I don't know how much longer this is gonna last. Until it dies, I'm gonna just set it right here while me and David throw on the wing. I'm locking.
We snapped it.
There she is, guys. Woo! Damn. Damn. Let me give you that side profile. Oh, I get. Okay, yeah. Alright guys, comment down below what you think, and I'm probably gonna paint it sometime in the future. Yes, I know I should have painted it before throwing it on, but I'm very impatient. But honestly, I would have left it if it wasn't for like these marks, scratches, whatever it is. I don't really know how to describe it, but yeah, if it wasn't for like that discoloration right there and all that, I would have left it. Honestly, I would have not painted it, but only because of this, I'm gonna just paint it. So yeah, that's that. Alright guys, so like I said, my camera is dying. I'm gonna meet up with the squad right now. We're gonna go eat. So I think we're gonna go to Leo's afterwards. Right now Leo's busy, so I'll probably be able to charge my camera after, because I think my charger's at Leo's house, I hope. So yeah, I'm gonna meet up with the squad right now. Hopefully my camera doesn't die. Maybe get some rollers or some shit. But yeah, we'll see you guys there. Alright, yo, what is up guys? Hope you guys are having a good day. So it's actually the next day, I believe. I finally found my camera charger, so we're golden. Yesterday I would have painted my wing, but like I said, I didn't have my camera charger, so I didn't want to film stuff, or I didn't want to do stuff without filming it, but we're good now. And yeah. That being said, I'm probably not painting my wing today. I'm probably gonna save that for when I install my lip. But right now, we're actually gonna go meet up with Joseph, and he's at a homie's house, which I think I haven't showed yet on the channel. And he has a bad Camaro, and it's pretty badass. It has some clean ass wheels on there, deep dish as fuck. So we're gonna go check that out. We're gonna meet up with Jose as well, and then probably wash our cars because it's filthy. It rained the other day, and wow, you know how it is after rain, especially if you have a black car. It's the worst.
It was like, it was crazy, dude.
Joseph.
Well, I know we just did it. I know.
Joseph.
I know.
What are you doing?
No.
In the corner
No.
right
Okay, I'll get to it right now. Here I go.
Joseph.
I'm going to do the angry headlight look. Pretty much it's a mirror. You're looking at a mirror. But you can see you.
What?
Joseph, that video we made is gone now in 10 seconds.
I know. I'm indecisive. Dude. I'm sorry.
It's okay, buddy. It's your car. It's whatever floats your boat.
Thanks,
you know.
buddy.
It's whatever floats your boat.
I'm still trying to find myself.
Alright guys, so right now we're gonna go to the wash. It's my boy Joseph. Hey buddy.
I have a couple dollars I can trade for, so. What's up, buddy? He does it for the grand.
Come here. Come here.
That ass looking like a snack.
Come here.
Let me see, I
Come
got
here.
my Snapchat before he.
Come here. Dang, he's thick.
Hey, bro, what's up?
Hey, my boy, hey, he heard you talking shit. Come on.
At Daffy Dizzle. Daffy Dizzle OG.
Can he go fight me?
Oh, he gonna run up on you, bro. He gonna... Damn, this one lavish.
Hey, you went to that garage? Both of them, bro, they just work together and just. I'll be like, hey. What the fuck? You guys are real MVP.
Alright, guys, about to hit up the car wash. because the cars are filthy, and we got the weekly Wegfest Time Stands For collaboration meet going down in Hemet.
You got your wristband?
Oh, you need a wristband?
Bro, yes.
What do you mean? I have an email.
It sounds so good, bro. I have an extra wristband.
Oh, for sure.
I was gonna bring my girl, but she didn't come.
Oh, okay, for sure, sure. So we're gonna hit up the car wash right now. So look at that. No more. No more. Take the ramp. Damn, all of a sudden everybody wanted to hit the car wash, huh? Damn, this is the most packed I've seen this wash, guys. Jeez.
So, yeah.
This is a homage beat.